Philosopher and Irish statesman Edmund Burke once said, "If we command our wealth, we shall be rich and free. If our wealth commands us, we are poor indeed." This quote is incredibly relevant today, as money often measures success. Many of us get caught up in a constant cycle of earning and spending, trying to balance our wants and needs. As we chase after wealth, it's important to understand the deeper principles that govern money. In today's episode, we'll explore 14 essential rules that money follows. Money is earned through crisis. Warren Buffett, a Wall Street legend and one of Forbes' top billionaires, once said that the secret to getting rich is to be greedy when others are fearful and fearful when others are greedy. This advice applies to more than just investing. During economic crises, astute individuals spot opportunities and make significant gains. When markets crash and real estate values plummet, the wealthy take advantage by buying assets at reduced prices, restructuring loans, and building liquidity. For example, if you buy a property valued at $1 million during a crisis for $750,000, you're likely to make a profit once the market recovers. Similarly, in the stock market, prices may fall, but they won't stay low forever. While most people panic and sell, the savvy investors are buying. Economic downturns create the best opportunities to increase your net worth. So, save up and be prepared to invest wisely when the next crisis hits. Money is a game of exchange. Money is made through exchange. There's a subtle but important difference between earning money and making money. Earning money involves trading your time and energy for a paycheck. You work for an hour and get paid for that hour. Making money, on the other hand, involves creating something that generates income repeatedly. For example, developing a product that continues to sell. To attract money, you must create value that others are willing to pay for. This could be a service, a product, or an idea that meets a demand. Money attracts money. Have you ever noticed that wealthy people tend to associate with other wealthy individuals? This isn't because they're snobbish, but because their financial status naturally attracts those within the same bracket. To become wealthy, it helps to befriend the wealthy. By spending time with them, you can learn their habits, understand their ways, and gradually adopt their mindset. Wealthy people know how to generate money, have lifestyles that boost their finances, and are always surrounded by opportunities. By integrating into such circles, you position yourself to learn and seize similar opportunities. Money is easy to get and harder to maintain. Making money can sometimes be easier than maintaining it. Let me explain this through the concept of the big check syndrome. Imagine a real estate agent who sells a $6 million home and earns $200,000 in a single month. If this agent starts living as though they earn that much every month, they'll soon face financial trouble. Most people get overexcited when they see a sudden increase in their bank balance. Instead of investing wisely to grow that money, they splurge on luxuries. Money needs to be managed and nurtured to stay and grow. According to Forbes, 80% of new millionaires lose their status within a few years because they don't know how to maintain their wealth. Money loves secrecy. It's wise to keep a secret account that no one knows about except yourself. This isn't about hiding wealth, but having a safety net for emergencies. When people know about your financial status, they might take advantage of you. While it's important to help others, constantly giving away money because others know you have it can lead to strained relationships. A secret account can be a lifesaver in emergencies, such as business downturns or unexpected expenses. Money hates stagnation. Money needs to move and be invested. If money is stagnant, it becomes unproductive. Think of money like a plant. It needs to be nurtured and moved around to grow. Investing in different areas can keep your money working for you. Money sitting idle in an account, not growing or generating returns, is essentially wasted. Diversify your investments to ensure your money remains active and productive. Money loves risk takers. Younger people can afford to take more risks with their investments. As you age, your risk tolerance typically decreases. To make significant gains, you need to take calculated risks while you're still young. Great opportunities often come with substantial risks. By investing wisely and taking calculated risks early, you set the stage for greater financial rewards. Money hates spendthrifts. If you keep spending without replenishing your funds, you'll eventually run out of money. Wealthy individuals who live lavishly can sustain their lifestyle because they have measures in place to replenish the money they spend. To be rich, you need a plan to bring back or even double the money you use. This involves disciplined saving and investing. A favorite quote on saving by Thornton T. Munger goes, "The habit of saving is itself an education. It fosters every virtue, teaches self-denial, cultivates the sense of order, trains to forethought, and so broadens the mind." Money loves authenticity. Authenticity in your financial journey is crucial. Unique and creative ideas always have a market. Being authentic and standing out from the crowd can attract money. Entrepreneurs often succeed by pursuing ideas they believe in and proving their worth to the world. While it's good to learn from others, don't try to copy their entire journey. Gather tips, but carve out your own financial path based on your circumstances and strengths. Money loves to be controlled. Money needs to be managed carefully. Keep track of your finances and manage your expenses. If you don't control your money, it will control you, leading to financial trouble and debt. Having a clear account of your finances helps you make informed decisions and avoid unnecessary spending. This control allows you to dictate your financial future rather than being at the mercy of your finances. Money can never be the problem and the solution. If money is causing your problems, borrowing more isn't the solution. This leads to a cycle of debt that's hard to break. Instead, find additional income sources like side hustles or extra jobs. The only way to solve a money problem is to increase your income, not by borrowing more money. Money doesn't change people. Money magnifies who you already are. If someone becomes arrogant after getting rich, it's because they were always that way. Wealth just revealed their true nature. Money and success won't change your core personality. They will only highlight it. Money won't make you happy. Benjamin Franklin said, "Money never made a man happy yet, nor will it." There is nothing in its nature to produce happiness. Money can't buy happiness, but it can enable you to do things that make you happy. True happiness comes from within and from fulfilling relationships and experiences. Money can provide comfort and opportunities, but it's not the sole source of happiness. Let money work for you. The key difference between the rich and the poor is that the rich make money work for them. They invest and create passive income streams, so they earn even when they're not working. The poor, on the other hand, work for money and often live paycheck to paycheck. To achieve financial security, have a plan for your expenditure, create multiple income streams, and have an emergency fund. I hope these rules help you understand money better. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every other day, so hit the bell icon to stay updated. See you next time.